Hi, my name's Deb Taylor from NatMed Natural Medicine Clinic, and I'd like to help you find a really good practitioner to help you in your health journey. So here are some quick tips. Number one, find a practitioner with over 3 years experience. Your health is important, and it's really vital that you find someone who has really good clinical skills to bring to solve the health problems that you're suffering with. Tip number two, find a practitioner that has access to Medicare testing, either through a GP in their practice or a nurse practitioner, and a naturopath who is trained in functional testing. These tests make all the difference in establishing baselines to measure efficacy for your prescription, and also uncovering the causal factors in the problems that you may be suffering from. Tip number three, find a specialist clinician. So if you have a specialist issue such as fertility, weight loss, or gut issues, then find a specialist in that area, because it's really difficult these days with natural medicine to be generally good at everything. Fertility testing, for example, is highly specialised, and if you are looking for a specialist, ideally find someone with over 3 years experience in that specialist area. Tip number four, find a practitioner who has access to a good team. This might be allied health practitioners or medical specialists or a general practitioner. Sometimes it needs a team approach to get you better, and this can really make a big difference and leverage your health outcomes. Tip number five, and probably one of the most important, is that you find someone that you click with and also is willing to communicate to you clear and concise and measurable goals, and that they're also willing to revisit those goals at each consultation and hold themselves accountable to delivering you actual results. Tip number six, ideally find a really good functional medicine practitioner, naturopath, who works alongside a health coach who bills out at a much lower fee. A lot of your health journey is to do with understanding how to follow your diet and cut out bad habits. And you really don't need someone who is established as a functional medicine practitioner to do this. You really just need a really good health coach. So at NatMed, I always have a new graduate working with us who our patients can access at a much lower rate for that coaching work. Tip number seven, book a free scoping session with the practitioner that you've identified might be the right fit for you, and take them through a Q&A identifying some of these areas that I've talked about today. So we are not the right fit for everybody, but if you would like to book a free scoping session, call or text us today.